Hello, we're jumping right into the battle. Earth Eagle 145. WD versus Lightning L-Drago 100. HF. Classic match from Metal Fusion right here. So where Tsubasa got the dark power, as he had all this power drained from L-Drago. But I don't get why Kiyoya didn't have the dark power. Maybe because he was just a little bit of a dark later. Oh, let's go. And Eagle takes the win. Wrong launcher, next round. No, wrong Betty, next round. Now this eagle is different from other Earth Eagles. Well, one is the recolor. Came with Dark Libra, just so you know. The second though has got a metal face bolt. That's crazy. Sorry, I was just planning Earth Eagle versus Dark Libra, Monday, the 21st. Okay, you guys can check that out. Okay, now we're going to continue. Next match. If Eagle wins this battle is over. If L-Drago gets lucky, which I just did because I happened to say that, then we happen to have one more round. Okay, L-Drago should be down one single hit. With a simple stadium out, that's all needed. Again, Eagle's trying to make it either defeat itself or L-Drago's just getting its power from somewhere. A dark place. Now it's all tied up. Sorry, that was a bad launch. Now it's all tied up. If L-Drago can actually win, L-Drago will win the series. Oh! Tie! This is shaping up to be a real good match. And you guys are gonna want to see this one again. Bet you are, dar. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll plan a rematch between these two real soon, next week. Oh, and